Saw dudes, it's me again. Today we're just outside of Gresham. We're gonna be taking lots of pictures of waterfalls today. Today's a nice sunny day and get some nice clips in. So behind me is kind of out of the way. Get ready to see, right now we're here in Latoural Falls and yeah. So as you guys just saw, a wonderful, beautiful view. Right now we're going back up the trail. There's a second trail that takes you all the way up to the top that I was pointing out to. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a beautiful view from above. Can't wait. Hey, as you can see, we made it up to the second part of the waterfall. This is the highest point you can reach right now. It is really beautiful. Not as tall, but still is beautiful. It's pretty loud, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me. But man, is that nice. You could probably stand like right underneath it and like not really get hurt, I guess. Seems like it's still gonna hurt, but not as bad as the last one. It's not as misty too, which is, I guess, pretty nice. But like the bottom part of the waterfall, when all the mist is around, it's like you're in a different world. Just wild.
Time undivided moves in circles, trapped like a wave in a tidal pool. Waves upon waves, the horizon in view, but out of reach. I've been saying that something needs to change.
I am completely soaked right now.
I've been saying that something.
Well, thank you guys for tuning in. It was a lot of fun hiking up here, seeing the waterfalls. Honestly, I think this is my first time being up close to one, to be honest, and two were in one day. But I'm gonna end the video off here. It was a lot of fun having you guys tag along. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd be happy to share my little adventures and stories. So hopefully it's something really fun. Should be really fun. Might be more climbing, maybe outside, or maybe just a daily vlog. We'll see how it goes. So again, see y'all next time.
Time undefeated flows like water pulled by the moon. The frost